Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Fagit Kazmi from Core Hub. Today we are kicking off our Python series. In this video, we will cover two main points. What is the Python and the history of the Python. By the end, you will have a solid understanding of what Python is and how it has evolved over the years. Let's dive in. What is the Python? So, what exactly is Python? Python is a super versatile programming language that's known for being really easy to learn and use. Here are some of the main reasons why Python is so popular. Interpreted language. As many simple languages, Python can execute one line at a time, which makes it so easier for the compilers or the machine to understand and execute. Object-oriented nature. You can use Python to write the code in structured way like C and object-oriented way like C++ or Java. So it makes it possible to include both structured and object-oriented concepts at the same time, which no other language can offer in this simple way. High-level language. Python syntax is straightforward and similar to the English. This means you don't have to worry about the complex details that some other programming languages have. Dynamic typing. Python, you don't have to declare the type of the variables upfront. It figures it out as the code runs, which gives you a lot of flexibility. The simple history of the Python. Now, let's talk a bit about where the Python comes from. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in late 1980s, and it has an interesting history. In 1989, Guido started working on Python over the Christmas holidays. He wanted to create a language that was easy to read and write, and that was a big challenge at that time when the B and C type languages were ruling over the era of internet programming and communication applications. In 1991, the first version of Python 0.9.0 was released. This version already had some of the core features we use today, like exceptions handling and the basic data types. And then 1994, Python 1.0 came out. It introduces new features like lambda map, filter, and reduce, which made it even more powerful. In year 2000, Python 2.0 was released. This version brought the list comprehensions, garbage collection, and support for Unicode, making it more efficient and capable. And at that time, it was comparable language with the Java, which was at that moment the only language who were claiming environment independent language. The Unicode feature of the Python also make it a comparative language with the Java. Then in year 2000, Python 3.0, also known as Python 3000 or Py3k, was released. This version was a big deal because it fixed many of the design flaws of earlier versions. However, it was not backward compatible with the Python 2x, so it took a while for everyone to switch over. Then the present day Python. Today we use Python 3x, which continue to get better and better. The latest version includes many advanced features that make Python a go-to language for things like web development, data science, and artificial intelligence. The major factor why Python is so much popular over the academia and the industry is it is the language of the Google. It is the language of the internet. It is the language of the communication. It is the language of the data science, which means it provides the best possible libraries for the data analytics, data engineering, and many other data science activities. And at the same time, it provides a great integration with the machine learning and the deep learning, which makes possible the intelligent applications and state-of-the-art applications which we are observing around us at that moment. So, and that's a quick overview for the Python and its history. Python's journey from a simple project to one of the most popular programming languages are pretty amazing. In our upcoming video, we will deliver deeper insights for the Python features and show you how to use these in your projects. Thank you for joining us.